Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center. Okay, so the first thing that we'll do is to open the Google Play Store. Once you've opened, make sure that the account that you'd like your data to be saved from is the one logged in. You can check it by tapping on the profile icon on the top right corner of your screen that has the first initial of your name, or if you have a profile, just go ahead and tap it. And as you can see, the one logged in is the one that I'd like to save my data from. And once you've confirmed, you can just go ahead and go back home and open the Google Play Games. And once you've opened, you can just go ahead and log in. But in some devices, it is already logged in automatically. And once you're here, you're going to be looking for the three-dotted icon on the top right corner of your screen for the settings. Let's go ahead and tap that one. Once you've tapped it, you'll be presented with these two options. As you can see on the topmost, there is the settings. Let's go ahead and tap that one. And you will be transferred to the screen. And back then, there is an automatically sign into supported games option on the profile and privacy. But since in this device it is not accessible to that option, we're going to scroll down and head to your data category. And this is another way to check if the account logged in to your Google Play Store is the one that is automatically logged into the games. In this set of option or category, you will be seeing the change account for games. Let's go ahead and tap that one. And you will be transferred to the screen. And as you can see, the one logged into my Play Store and to my Google Play Games is the same. And it is set as the default account. And in the description, you will see that this account is used to automatically sign in to your games, save your game progresses, and save your settings. And if you change the default account or sign out, you lose access to this for games you've played. And if you have multiple accounts and you'd like to transfer the data to a different account or use a different account that you'd like to automatically log in, you can just tap on change. You can either choose change account by game or change the default account for games. Once you've tapped it, you'll be seeing this set of options such as change the default account only for new games, change the default account for all games, or sign up of all games. And in the description, you will see the explanation regarding that option that you like. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.